frames. Alright, so a few days ago we went to the beach and we grabbed some shells. And so we have a ton to choose from. And so what we're doing is just picking some that we want to like put on our frames. Alright, so now we're painting our wooden frame. Or frames, I guess. And we just have like a bunch of different glues that we're trying. We might be mixing them together just to make it look pretty. Alright, so we just finished painting the frame, and now we've already got like the shells laid out. And so what we did with some of the like hollow looking shells is we put foam inside so that it's like a flat surface so we can glue it down easier. So now I'm just gonna put this on here. Here, where do you want it? Okay. Next one, this one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just going to be gluing these down right here until we've glued them all down. Gotta hold them down. Okay, so I'm gluing my frame now. And I did like a 4-corner kind of design. So we just finished gluing the shells and putting the picture in.
And now we're going to make it even better by adding glitter.
Alright, so that's pretty much it for the craft. It's a super easy craft and I recommend you try it.
And I hope you like our video. Please subscribe.
And check out other videos on our channel. Bye!